Hello there and welcome. My name is Enmo Morombwi and I'm here to talk to you about Twitter ad tips. Twitter provides a goldmine of new audiences and marketers can do best to tap into these resources. Just like any other media marketing effort, one needs a strategy and a plan that fit their overall media marketing objective. Now let's get right into how best to advertise on Twitter for the best results. Do a good check or audit of your account or accounts. The profile, bio header, and the last updates details of engagement, then allocate a team member to be responsible for the account. Smart tip here on setup include your location. If you are a small business, for people to find you offline, tools such as Hootsuite have ready-made templates that can assist you in doing a thorough audit. So the next point that I need to share with you is you need to set your goal. Make sure that they are smart, specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and have a time frame. Going viral or trending does not count. Pick the right handle. Not too long so others can easily tag you. Have your profile and header be in tune with your brand. Check out your competition or big brands. What are they doing? This will help you in two ways. You can check out the list they follow and follow them too. You can see where you can improve and this will help you fine tune your game. Tweet during peak hours. Some say 12 p.m. to 6 in the evening is best. Some opt for business days, Mondays through Friday. Choose your time and days and then assess. Make a content calendar. Here's a smart tip. Follow a rule of thirds. 1/3 business, the other third share personal stories, the other third share informative material from experts. Use tools on when to post. This saves time and stress later on. Create guidelines on tone of the tweets, use of hashtags, etc. This helps when onboarding new team members. Guidelines on how to handle trolls, criticism is inevitable because better have a guide to handle PR crisis and not need it. Use visuals on your tweets to increase engagement and chances of retweet. Make sure the images are compelling and of high quality. Video previews work great too. For engagement with your followers, Twitter polls are a great asset. And lastly, measure your impact. Are you getting any conversions? Create a sense of urgency. Keep it short and simple. Get creative. Have a compelling call to action. And I cannot even overemphasize the issue to do with the call to action because it is imperative that whenever you post, people need to be told what the next step is. So it's important that that call to action becomes very compelling. So these are my tips that I have in as far as the Twitter ads are concerned, and hopefully they can help you as you work on future campaigns and promotions.